Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a registered nutritionist dietitian here at Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care. Common food allergies include number 1, nuts, particularly peanuts and tree nuts, which can cause severe reactions. Number 2, shellfish, including shrimp, crab, and lobster. Number 3, dairy, particularly cow's milk, which is prevalent in children but can persist in adulthood. However, allergies can vary greatly between individuals, and it's important not to generalize. Begin with small, manageable changes like swapping sugary drinks for water, adding more vegetables to your meals, preparing home-cooked meals, and incorporating light physical activities like walking. Focus on consistency rather than perfection. Eating meals at regular intervals helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and hunger spikes. Skipping meals or irregular eating can lead to overeating later and disrupt metabolic balance. Fiber aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements, support gut health, helps control blood sugar levels, and keeps you fuller for longer periods of hours. It also lowers cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart diseases. Great options include apple slices with peanut butter, Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds, or vegetables with hummus. These snacks balance protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can have a direct impact on appetite. Elevated cortisol levels can increase cravings for high-calorie sugary foods as the body seeks quick sources of energy to cope with stress. In addition to these cravings, stress can also lead to emotional eating, which is where individuals turn to food for comfort as a coping mechanism. Over time, chronic stress and emotional eating can contribute to disrupted eating patterns such as overeating or skipping meals. These may result in weight gain or difficulty maintaining a healthy weight. Managing stress through healthier coping strategies such as exercise or mindfulness can help mitigate these effects. Carbs are essential as a primary fuel source for the body, especially for the brain and muscles. The key is to focus on complex carbs such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, which provide long-lasting energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. These carbs are digested slowly, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. On the other hand, refined sugars like white bread, pastries, and sugary snacks are quickly digested, causing blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can lead to energy dips and increased cravings. Balancing carb intake with nutrient-dense options support overall health and sustained energy. Eating late doesn't directly cause weight gain, but it can lead to overconsumption of calories or poorer food choices. Timing matters less than the overall quality and quantity of your diet. Stress and fatigue increases levels of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and reduce willpower, leading to cravings for quick energy sources like sugary or fatty foods. This is the body's way of seeking comfort and energy. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals with enough protein and fiber to stabilize blood sugar, and replace sugary treats with naturally sweet options like fruit or dark chocolate in moderation. Gradually reducing sugar intake also helps. Poor sleep disrupts hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and fullness, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Consistent sleep supports better food choices and metabolism. In moderate amounts, caffeine doesn't significantly dehydrate, but it can boost focus and energy. However, too much caffeine can cause jitters, anxiety, and sleep disruptions, which may indirectly affect hydration and overall health. Excess alcohol consumption can harm the liver, contribute to weight gain, and increase the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Moderation is key, with recommended limit up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Dehydration can have a significant impact on the body, leading to fatigue, headaches, poor concentration, and constipation. When the body lacks sufficient water, it struggles to perform basic functions, resulting in reduced energy and focus. Over time, chronic dehydration can put additional strain on organs like kidneys, potentially impairing their function. This can also lead to more serious health issues, including kidney stones or urinary tract infections. It's important to stay properly hydrated, as water plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and maintaining energy levels. Schedule a consultation with us and take charge of your health.